PSUs may be little underperformers because bond yields बढ़ने से उनको mark to market loss लग सकता है, but I think private banks will lead the way, particularly stocks like Kotak, ICICI Bank and Axis. Mid cap banks will also be very very sweet because their CASA ratio has gone up. और लास्टली आपको पता है कि बॉन्ड फंड में 31 मार्च के बाद जो न्यू चेंज ऑफ रिजीम आया है, आई थिंक दैट मनी विल गो इनटू टू सेक्टर्स, वन इनटू इंश्योरेंस, सेकंड इनटू इक्विटी, and equity ETFs should get better, particularly on the retail side, and insurance companies become very attractive because there the return will be much more better and gross net value additions are getting stronger. So in this duration, what do you have to do? I think अगर आपका SIP है तो बने रहिए. On the other hand, right now the best thing is to be a trader. There is a thin line between a trader and the investor. The trader never becomes the investor. The investor never becomes the trader. Trader भाव से सौदा करता है. Weakness है तो बेचता है, तेजी है तो पहले खरीदता है, strength है तो खरीदता है, weakness है तो बेचता है. Investor is the opposite. Investor buys weakness because he gets the price, price in his favor, and he sells in the strength because he's getting a good profit. The trader's mind is psychologically built the other way. वो कहता है weakness क्यों आई है? अगर weakness आई है तो weakness has come because of selling pressure. So वो बोलता है weakness में बेचिए. और हमारे यहाँ क्या होता है, traders 9 out of 10 lose money.